Kids Vision TV.
Hi kids, and welcome back to my channel. Let's draw a mermaid, cute mermaid. Let's draw and color another mermaid with me. First I am coloring its eyes, light blue color. I am coloring the other side. Yellow color. Now it's time to color its hair. And look, it's golden here. Orange color. I am coloring in a starfish. Orange color. A cute starfish. Purple color. I am coloring its body.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Do you like to watch my mermaid? Oh, it looks such a beautiful and pretty. Orange color. I am coloring its tail. Orange color. Light blue color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
I am coloring its cheeks. Skin color. I am coloring its face. Its cute face. Now I am coloring a neck and hand. I am coloring a water. Now, color with me. Let's draw the waves. I am drawing the water drops in a sea. Oh, it looks like a real mermaid laying in a sea.
Subscribe us for more videos.